Here's a tech review covering those devices, focusing on features, functionality, potential downsides, and overall impressions. In a world buzzing with distractions and demands, achieving quality rest and staying on top of your health can be a challenge. Hello, viewers, and welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss about tech review of white noise sleep headphones, sleep mask with Bluetooth headphones, rotating wireless charging stand for multiple devices, Fitbit Charge 6 with fitness tracker. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. White noise sleep headphones. In an era marked by perpetual hustle and bustle, achieving a state of tranquility and restful sleep can often feel like an elusive dream. Enter white noise sleep headphones, the innovative solution revolutionizing the way we approach bedtime. Whether in-ear or over-ear, these specialized headphones are meticulously crafted to not only drown out disruptive noises, but also cocoon the wearer in a serene auditory environment conducive to deep, uninterrupted sleep. At the heart of white noise sleep headphones lies the science of sound masking. By emitting a consistent, low-level sound, these devices effectively camouflage ambient noises that might otherwise disturb slumber. Whether it's the honking of traffic, the hum of appliances, or the neighbor's late-night party, white noise sleep headphones provide a shield against auditory intrusions, allowing users to drift effortlessly into dreamland. The versatility of white noise sleep headphones is a testament to their adaptability to individual preferences. For those who prefer a minimalist approach, in-ear headphones offer a discreet yet powerful solution. These sleek devices snugly fit into the ear canal, effectively blocking out external noises while delivering a customized sound experience directly to the auditory senses. In an age where quality sleep is increasingly recognized as a cornerstone of health and well-being, white noise sleep headphones emerge as a beacon of hope for weary souls in search of respite. With their seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and ergonomic design, these devices represent a paradigm shift in the way we approach sleep hygiene, offering a holistic solution that addresses both the physiological and psychological aspects of restful slumber. Number 2. Sleep mask with Bluetooth headphones. Similar to white noise sleep headphones, a sleep mask with Bluetooth headphones combines the benefits of a sleep mask with the convenience of Bluetooth headphones. The mask is designed to block out light and provide a comfortable sleeping environment, while the headphones allow you to listen to music or audiobooks wirelessly. A sleep mask with Bluetooth headphones combines innovative technology with thoughtful design to enhance your sleep experience. Crafted from lightweight and breathable materials, the mask is gentle on your skin and comfortable to wear for extended periods. The headphones are ergonomically designed to fit securely over your ears, ensuring they stay in place throughout the night without causing any discomfort. One of the standout features of this product is its long battery life. The headphones can last up to 8 hours on a single charge, providing you with uninterrupted music or white noise to help you drift off to sleep. Additionally, the mask is equipped with a built-in microphone, allowing you to take calls hands-free while wearing it. The combination of a sleep mask and Bluetooth headphones offers a convenient and relaxing way to improve your sleep quality. Overall, a sleep mask with Bluetooth headphones is a practical and effective solution for anyone looking to enhance their sleep experience. Its combination of comfort, convenience, and functionality makes it a valuable addition to your bedtime routine. Whether you're looking to drown out noise, listen to soothing sounds, or simply enjoy some music before bed, this product provides a comfortable and effective solution. Number 3. Rotating wireless charging stand for multiple devices. In an era where connectivity reigns supreme, the demand for efficient charging solutions has never been greater. Enter the rotating wireless charging stand for multiple devices, a versatile powerhouse designed to cater to the needs of today's tech-savvy consumers. Offering the convenience of simultaneous charging for smartphones, earbuds, smartwatches, and more, This innovative device represents the epitome of convenience and functionality, seamlessly integrating wireless capabilities with intuitive design to streamline the charging experience like never before. At its core, the rotating wireless charging stand embodies the principle of versatility, providing a single, centralized hub for powering up a diverse array of electronic gadgets. Equipped with multiple charging ports and wireless charging pads, it offers the flexibility to accommodate various devices simultaneously, eliminating the need for multiple chargers and tangled cords cluttering up desk space or bedside tables. Whether it's the latest flagship smartphone, a pair of wireless earbuds, or a sleek smartwatch, this charging stand caters to all, ensuring that every device is ready to go at a moment's notice. Number 4. Fitbit Charge 6 with Fitness Tracker. At the heart of the Fitbit Charge 6 lies its robust suite of health and wellness monitoring capabilities. Equipped with an array of sensors, including a heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, and skin temperature sensor, this device provides comprehensive insights into your physical well-being, allowing you to track key metrics such as heart rate variability, blood oxygen levels, and changes in skin temperature. Whether you're monitoring your workouts, tracking your sleep quality, or managing stress levels throughout the day, the Fitbit Charge 6 offers unparalleled accuracy and precision, empowering you to make informed decisions about your health in real time. But the Fitbit Charge 6 is more than just a passive observer. It's a proactive partner in your fitness journey. With its advanced activity tracking features, including automatic exercise recognition, personalized workout recommendations, and goal-based exercise modes, it keeps you motivated and on track towards achieving your fitness goals. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or practicing yoga in the comfort of your own home, the Fitbit Charge 6 provides real-time feedback and guidance to help you optimize your workouts and maximize your results. But perhaps the most striking feature of the Fitbit Charge 6 is its sleek and stylish design. With its slim profile, vibrant OLED display, and customizable watch faces, it seamlessly blends fashion with function, allowing you to express your personal style while staying connected and informed throughout the day. Whether you're at the office, out for a run, or relaxing at home, the Fitbit Charge 6 is the perfect accessory to complement your active lifestyle. So this was the video for today. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.